guys and gals, thanks for stopping by. I'm doing kind of a continuation of a previous video that I did where I reviewed the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation, and I know I mentioned that I was going to test maybe combining this with other foundations, so I ended up doing that. I've tested it out with a few different foundations, and I think I found the right combo, at least that works for me, and I wanted to share it with you guys in case you are interested. But hang tight, let me get this hair out of my face. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you use this foundation or if you've even mixed this foundation with any other kind of foundations, or if you have any of your favorite mix or blend of foundations. Let's talk about it. All right, hang on guys. Like my ears. For my little, yeah, I guess they're ears. I bought this while I was in Vegas, so I do definitely have a video or vlog of my little shopping excursion. But let's get into the foundation. First, I'm gonna prime my face because that's important. I wanna make sure I give this a fair shot. And I mean, I've already done it, but I'm gonna do check-ins for you guys, so I wanna make sure that I'm doing what I did do. I'm gonna use my favorite Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I'm going to quickly rush through this so that I don't keep you guys here forever. And a little side note, I had already moisturized, and I like using sunscreen on my face, so I had already previously done that before I started filming. So now I just finished priming. So my mysterious combination of the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth foundation is the Fenty Beauty foundation. So I decided to mix these two because I figured, okay, the Fenty Beauty, yes, I do know it's really harsh for people who have really dry skin and it's lacking a little bit of moisture. I do love this foundation and I do use it a lot, but I know I have to moisturize my skin really good if I do decide to use this. So after I filmed this video, I decided, you know, why don't we just mix it together? And I think I even made a comment on the last video, so I ended up doing it, and I love, love, love this combination. It seems like they play off really well with each other, and it doesn't leave my skin dry. Of course, I always moisturize, and I didn't really have that big of an issue, but this even makes it look even dewy or more radiant, and it seems like they play off really well together. So I'm gonna put that on. I pretty much put equal parts of both, and the Fenty Beauty in combination with this doesn't give me that same issue that I had in my prior video. I'll make sure to link it down below with my original review and first impressions. I don't get that breaking apart on my nose, and the foundation actually lasts all day. Have no issues with it, and this is my new go-to combo. So let's get this on my face so that we can start off the day and I can do the check-ins for you guys. Just a side note, you don't have to use as much foundation as I'm using, but I did use a little bit more than I needed, but you know, you can eyeball it based off of how much foundation you want on your face, and then also the coverage, because both foundations are buildable. So the foundation's on. Let me get the rest of my face on, and then I'll be right back. Hang on. Hey guys, I'm back. So thanks for watching again, and I'm gonna do some check-ins, show you guys how the foundation lasts throughout the day. But I love this combination of both the Fit Me foundation in the Dewy Plus Smooth version, and then also the Fenty Beauty foundation. The two combined, I think, have created the most beautiful, it's still lightweight but also hydrating in a way type of formula. It's kind of like the combination of getting the best of both worlds. So you get your matte foundation, so it's gonna last, it's gonna stay on your skin, but of course this can be drying if you do have more of a drier skin. And then the Fit Me foundation Dewy Plus Smooth has more of that hydrating, but it kind of moved all over my face. So me combining the two, it actually lasts on my face for I guess all day pretty much. But I'll definitely do check-ins, I'll do some shopping, I'll make sure to vlog it, and that'll be in another video. But make sure you're subscribed, like, comment, let me know what you think, let me know if you like these kind of videos and if you like check-ins, and I will be back. Alright guys, Love ya. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick check-in, let you guys know how the foundation is working. I love this foundation. I think it looks really nice on my skin. It makes it look luminous and it's hydrating and it doesn't cake up. It definitely doesn't do, I'm trying to make sure I do get my nose. It definitely doesn't do what the foundation, what the Maybelline foundation did originally on my first review and first impressions. So it's totally different kind of foundation. Once I combine the Fenty Beauty and the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, it definitely works totally different. I love how hydrated it makes my skin feel, and maybe I just like the combination of both, but it's working pretty well. Right now it's 11:51. I'm about to go shopping, see if I can do some damage clothes-wise. Maybe some shoes, I don't know, we'll see. But I'll check back in a couple hours, let you guys know how the foundation is working. And if you guys do want to see what I end up shopping and trying on in the stores, make sure you check out those vlogs. Not sure if they're up yet or not, but I'll definitely link them down below. If they're not up yet, I'll leave a little comment, and then make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you click on that little notification bell button so you'll get notified once those videos do come up. All right, see you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, so it is 2:57 right now, and I am doing another check-in. Right before I hop in the car, I kind of want to take advantage of the natural sunlight. Try to get a good angle. I think this works. Show you really quickly behind me. That's Treasure Island, the hotel in Vegas. It's kind of cool. And then over here is the Wynn and Encore. I'm like blind. Because of the sun. Oh, but it was fun. I went shopping, got some bags, went to Forever 21 and Macy's, and it is 2:58 actually, almost 3 o'clock. I've had it on since 10:30, so it's been about 4.5 hours, and it's still going strong. I still like it. I still think it's lasting pretty well. It's really good on my skin. I know I just did a quick check-in outside, but I decided let me just try to do it really quick inside too, so you could see it in both different lighting. This is inside the car, and a second ago it was outside of the car. So it's about 3 o'clock now, getting ready to head back to the hotel room. I'm sitting in the car. I just walked out of the fashion show mall in Las Vegas. The foundation looks really good. I love it. I think it looks really nice. My skin doesn't feel so dry. It doesn't feel like it sucked the moisture out of my skin. It feels nice, healthy. I love it. I love this combination. It doesn't fall in my lines, which is really nice. Foundation's doing pretty good. It's been 4.5 hours approximately, and I'm loving it. All right, I'll be back for another check-in in a little bit. Love you guys. Bye. Hey guys, just doing a quick check-in. Wanted to give you guys an update on the foundation and how it's doing. It's about 5:06 right now. I've had the foundation on since 10:30. So we're at about 6 hours and 30 minutes, maybe 36 minutes into it. So it's still looking good. Let me grab a mirror. I'm gonna look into it a little bit closer, but I wanted to show you guys how it's looking so far. It's not breaking apart. Again, that combination for some reason with the Fenty and the Maybelline Fit Me, Dewy plus Smooth, they kind of play off each other, and it's pretty amazing to me how, you know, it ends up lasting all day on my face as opposed to how it didn't in the first impressions video. I mean, I know Fenty Beauty always does last on my face, but when I combine them together, it seems like the lasting power of the Fenty Beauty kind of overtakes the Maybelline, that Maybelline side that likes to just kind of fall off my face, as opposed to the Maybelline side that's more hydrating and luminous. I feel like that gets added into the Fenty. So when they're combined, it's like the best of both worlds. It's pretty interesting. But I wanted to show you guys how it's looking. 6.5 hours into it. I love it. So I love it. Even my highlight is still on. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but the highlight is still on. My makeup is falling apart. I used the Stila glitter and it's like falling all over my face. I'm like, but foundation wise, I love it. It's really nice. My skin feels nice and soft and hydrated. It doesn't feel like it's sucking the life out of my skin, as matte foundations sometimes tend to do. And the coverage is still there. It's not cakey around my nose. It's looking good. I love it. And it's not sitting into my lines, which I think is even better. So good so far. 2 thumbs up. Let's give it a couple more hours. I'll make sure to do another check-in in a little bit. Recap my final thoughts for you guys. All right, guys, stay tuned. See you in a bit. Hey guys, I'm just checking in for my final check-in. I've had the foundation on about 9.5 hours. It's 8 o'clock right now. I put it on around 10:30 this morning and it still looks good. Of course, you know, it's starting to go away now that it's been on for so long, but there's nothing like completely uneven or where I'm seeing the blotchiness. I just see where it's kind of all the foundation is just starting to wear down, typically what usually happens after 9.5 hours, but it did not set around my nose, didn't settle in my fine lines, and even if I were to go out like this, I wouldn't have a problem. I probably am, but I'm gonna like wipe off my eye makeup because the glitter from the Stila glitter is all over my face. I'm not sure if you could see, I'm like shimmery all over. Sorry, I'm like trying to hold my phone where you can see my face, but yeah, so I'm gonna wipe off whatever I have on my eye and get ready to hit the town since we're in Vegas. It's our last night, but I just wanted to give you guys a look at how it looks after 9.5 hours. I really love that combination, especially after, you know, for 8 hours, a typical wear of 8 hours. It works really, really well. I love it. Let me know if you end up trying it or if you have any other secret combo that you like foundation-wise, and I will talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye. So my mysterious combination of the Maybelline Fit Me plus Smooth blah. World. Oh, how does it work? The Maybelline